Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking the exact text or cursor position that will carry the link. This is crucial because links attach to selection, not visuals. Next, copy the destination URL so it's ready. Then open the link tool, press Ctrl+K or use the toolbar icon so the dialog appears immediately. Once the dialog is open, paste the URL and glance at it. Make sure it includes HTTP or HTTPS, since systems interpret those prefixes differently. This first step reduces broken links. After pasting the URL, inspect it for typos, trailing characters, or extra spaces. These small errors break navigation. Then choose whether the link opens in the same tab or a new tab. Select blank to open a new tab when needed. If the editor supports a title or tooltip field, add a concise description to improve accessibility and clarity. Finally, confirm the visible text matches intent, because clear anchor text helps readers decide whether to click. Complete the process by clicking Apply or OK and immediately test the link to verify it navigates correctly. If it fails, recheck the URL for encoding issues, extra query characters, or space characters. Often pasted links include hidden formatting. Also confirm the document or site permissions allow external linking. If problems persist, remove formatting from the URL, paste as plain text, or retype the address. This clears invisible characters and usually resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.